Welcome guys to Barisal. One of the famous places here in Barisal is this floating market. We're actually right in, and it's a beautiful morning. After 1.5 hours of road, we just arrived here and we're on a banana boat right in the middle of Barisal, and it's amazing. It's splendid. It's a beautiful foggy morning. Everyone is selling vegetables. All the people here you're seeing, like with the little boats, they're having vegetables or fruit on their boats, and they're trying to make a living and to sell their products in the early hours of the morning. Now we are in the winter season, so the products available now in these months, in these winter months, are fruit and vegetables. And people just gathered around here to sell their products, and the people are very nice. The whole scenery is so diverse. We're actually on a river canal. This place gets flooded during summertime, and on the canal there are a lot of people that are trying to make a living, right? They're selling their products to everybody who's interested and who wants to come here and to visit it. So there are a lot of trees, a lot of nature. Everything is so special here just because you have to cross from one boat to the other to get to your desired product, to buy your favorite product. And the transactions are only done by boat. See how many bananas there are over there?
You have to come here around 6 or 7 a.m. because around now it's like 8 and already the people are starting to go away. They come here early in the morning trying to sell their various vegetables and bananas and pumpkins and all sorts of things. And during the summer, especially during the wet season, it's guava season. So this is more famous for the guavas that they're selling here. In the summer, there are like a lot of boats here, and they're just, as Gigi told you, doing their transactions and selling their guavas only by boat. So this is special. From what?
After spending some time here in the floating market, we will go now to the shore to try to find some food because it's super early in the morning and we are super hungry already. It's been a wonderful morning, guys. I'm so happy to be here. Everything is so new and like unbelievably like beautiful. Welcome to beautiful Bangladesh. Jesus, man. Is it? I could have sworn, man. I could have sworn. I told you to be careful. Go.
Wait, Michael.
Sure.
Okay.
God,
What?
Jesus.
Can you give him?
Yeah, well, let me go back to the floor.
We go back and we'll give him.
Reward.
500 we give him, yes.
How is the reward?
Yeah, let me go back to the...
Let him get dressed, he's wet.
In my underwear.
Oh, yeah, let's take a picture.
Oh my god, we have this and Michael is like in his underwear.
What did you say?
Hey!
Take a picture.
Yeah, sir.
Oh my god! I don't know if it's gonna work, it's freaking ruined, I think. I have no explanation for what happened. We dropped the water in the river.
The drone in the water.
The drone in the water. And our guide, he's gonna be like a... Sorry. I don't know. We will check. Oh shit, man.
Michael,
Yes.
that will work.
What?
That will work.
Yeah, I know, but it's dirty now. I need to clean it.
It's okay.
We will wash.
We get on the shore and we put it in the river and wash it again.
What? No.
People want to take pictures now. I think we're like local celebrities dropping the drone in the water. The whole village is over there cheering for us. I just hope we're gonna reach on the shore like in one piece and not wet.
What?
Like with all these gadgets.
What would you do to pumpkins?
The people are so helpful. We thank to everyone who's been helpful to us.
A funny
Yeah.
experience. I sure hope this one works.
I'm sorry, I cannot stop laughing.
Why are you laughing?
This is my reaction to very weird stuff.
To dumb shit. What? Yeah.
We finished.
Yeah.
We finished it in the tree.
Yes.
I usually don't cry. I laugh. This is my...
And the whole village is looking at us.
Can you film us? Can you turn the camera around? Where is everyone? Here? And there?
Yeah, and there, and everybody is here.
I just heard that it was like... Everybody's so helpful. I'm sorry. Okay, I have to stop laughing. Oh, Mufasa.
Simba.
That's so cool. Okay, thank
Let's
you.
go eat something.
Let's go.
Zakir Kaji.
Sir, Jakit Kaji here. He sells the onions. And he's a very hard-working person like everyone else. Very nice. You have your own garden, no? All vegetables.
Here.
Small plants and everything.
Come here.
Okay, let's come here. And everybody has plants here and vegetables. This is papaya.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Papaya plant. Wow. You see like how small it is? You just plant it on your land and you just do that. Yes. We see some plants now. We're understanding each other. This is other fruit and the whole garden. Oh, and plants and little flowers. See how beautiful they are. Here it has flowers as well. Now, picture, photo, or no? We take a video now. And the flowers. Very beautiful, very beautiful. This is aloe.
Hey,
Oh, see how many plants they have. And flowers and everything. Aloe vera and
Chili. Naga.
chili.
Naga
The very spicy one.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Wow.
It's beautiful. See?
Panchutia.
Panchutia. And all these plants, many vegetables.
And
He has his own big garden. He's a very nice guy. We stopped to take some food now, to have some breakfast. Some fried egg and some sunny side up and some prata. And we're having some vegetables as well, like potatoes mixed with dal. And I think it's gonna really be good because we're super hungry and we can't wait to check it out. We stopped now to have some breakfast. We finally found it. We're gonna have some sunny side up and some prata and some dal with potatoes on the side, and it's gonna be really tasty. And Michael is trying to fix the drone, so until he fixes it, we're gonna eat something.
আমার সাথে পরিচয় হচ্ছে কি আপনার ওই অ্যাপ আছে আর কি একটা অ্যাপ আছে যে অ্যাপের মাধ্যমে হচ্ছে কি তারা
These are our
কাউসারফিং নামে একটা অ্যাপ আছে
companions, like our
এরকম ভাবে যোগাযোগ করে
road partners and the people who are cooking the food over there.
তো আমার একটা ফ্রেন্ডের সাথে যোগাযোগ হয়েছে
We're getting rice to dry the dough. Well, this works normally for phones. This is what I used one time when I had problems with my phone. So
ড্রোনটা একটু রাখবে বুঝছেন পানিতে পড়ে গিয়েছিল তো তো এই যে চালের ভিতরে রাখবে একটু
You have a box like those.
What?
Can I get like a cardboard?
It seems that here the process is that you have to explain the whole thing that happened before purchasing what you actually need. So you cannot just go and give me this and this. You need to explain to people why do you want just a certain amount of price. Well, so it takes a bit of a patience to get used to it. But people are helpful. Oh, it's okay. It fits. Are you taking the biryani rice? Basmati?
No, it's called miniket.
I'm joking. Hi, so let's...
Yes, thank you.
We covered the drone.
আরেকটু দাও ওই পাশ দিয়ে কভারটা করে নাও
Yeah, it's enough.
After this full day of exploration and retrieving technicals from the water, we finally managed to roam actually around the bazaar here, and not only on the floating market. And there are a lot of people who are selling the stuff. The floating market actually closed in the meantime. It was such a fabulous experience. Aside from all the other things that happened, it was a beautiful experience. Like the people were super friendly, and they taught us like how peaceful life can be and how peaceful shopping can be. I mean, I would love to come here every day and do my shopping from here and jump from one boat to the other, just buying groceries and buying some vegetables. People are bringing their vegetables like from different gardens from nearby the ponds, you know, nearby the river. And this is why all of them have super easy access to the water, and this is why it's very easy for them to come here and do their day-to-day business. Came into a village around here. It's so beautiful, guys. This is like a house, and people use the boats and come on these canals with their vegetables. and go to the market, go to the floating market. So this is where all the fruits and vegetables come from, in the floating market. Namaskar.
Namaskar. Come from where?
Romania.
Romania.
Ji.
How many days before coming?
We stayed here for we stayed in Dhaka 1 week, and now we stay in Barishal.
Barishal.
Yes.
Oh.
Hello. Yes, he's my friend now. We just met, and I think we're gonna stay in Barishal for 1 more day, and then go to Dhaka.
Another district, Pirajpur.
Pirajpur?
Yes.
Okay, it's beautiful.
Yes. Very beautiful.
Pirajpur. But I love this place as well. I see we have friends, singing people. So beautiful here.
Yes.
Nature in Romania is very different.
Your country now.
Cold. Very cold. Yes. Very, very cold.
Bangladesh now medium.
Medium.
Yes.
In winter, here last night it was very cold, but oh,
Yes,
no,
yes.
it's okay.
Last night very cold.
What's the name of this village?
This village name is Kuriana.
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 Kuriana, guys.
Yes.
It's beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Robin Roy.
Robin Roy.
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you, Robin Roy. I'm Gigi. Okay.
See you next time. Huh?
See you next time. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye. Oh, that's so sweet. Everybody's so cool here. Mr. Robin Roy, my friend now. So people are making a new canal. They're removing the sand from the ground. And they showed me like they wanted actually to be in the video. Oh, they're very strong. Whoop. So cool. One at a time. So we're still around the village. Namaskar. We're still around this village, and we're trying to see as much as we can of this place before we go back to Barishal. And so far it has been a great adventure. It has been like an adventure, like 100% adventure. And we saw where the vegetables come from, we saw where they go, where they're being sold, and it's been like an amazing experience. Now I'm crossing a bridge with my bananas in my hand and trying to talk to you. So basically trying to give you like an overview of the life here, which is quite amazing. Let me wait for these guys to cross by.
Good morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine?
And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
Romania.
Romania. Oh.
Yes. Okay. Other than that, there are some ducks for you. And we're gonna find a bus to go back to Barishal. So, see you guys.